Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Ben's Carpentry and Joinery, and today we are going back to on the renovation site with Ben's Carpentry and Joinery. In this video, we are installing beautiful vanity units, each with 3 custom fit dressing mirrors. Let's take you through the process from frame to finish. We start by confirming each measurement for each vanity unit. Each wall is double checked for level, plumb. Each vanity will have 2 or 3 individual mirrors. So we mark and pre-drill all fixing points carefully, getting reference from our engineering drawings. Once the frame is ready, we fix the base vanity cabinet. These are moisture-resistant units with soft closed doors and top solid. We secure them to stud behind the walls to ensure a steady, lasting fit, especially since wall mirrors will be mounted above. Now for the eye-catching part, installing the 3-panel dressing mirrors. We space each mirror equally and use a combination of wall adhesive and concealed mirror clips. It is all about symmetry here. Each mirror lines up perfectly with the basin and lighting above. To finish it up, we seal around the edges with decorators and give everything a clean. These mirrors not only add depth to the space but create a luxurious hotel style feel in the dressing area. What makes this setup special is the clean lines, perfect spacing, and strong fixing, all done by Ben's team. These are the finishing touches that set great joinery apart. Thanks for watching part 2 of our renovation series. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for part 3. We are tackling built-in the cupboard doors with the finishing of the floors and ceilings. So continue to follow Ben's for our weekly updates. Thank you for watching.